Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I'll be showing you how to transfer a bat from Brave browser to Uphold. So in order for you to do this guys, so first thing that you will do is of course just simply go ahead and open up your Brave browser. So here on your Brave browser, select one of your accounts, and once you are here guys, you can just simply go ahead and click on the diamond icon over here, as you can see on the URL tab, the diamond one. So from here, as you can see, you will have the terms of service and select I agree down below over here. Now from here, once you have done that, you will have an option over here, as you can see, connect account. So go ahead and select connect account over here guys in order for you to proceed. And as you can see, you will have here the uphold option, and you just simply select login or sign up over here. And of course, if you don't have an account, you can just simply go ahead and create one. But if you do, just simply log in. And as you can see here, you should be able to authorize the application. So you will allow a Brave browser to interact with the Uphold. So these are all of the features that will be using the data with both of these software. And from here, as you can see, you need to reauthorize the application every 90 days or when your transaction volume reaches 250 baht. So select authorize to proceed with this process. And of course, just simply and manually provide your email address and password in order for you to proceed with this process. And if you don't have an account, select sign up now, and an email code will be sent to you, and just simply do the process of logging in and authorizing your account. So guys, once you have logged in into your account and once you have linked both, your earned BAT will automatically appear in your Uphold Brave rewards card each month. So pretty much it is an automatic process which automatically deposits earned BAT into your Uphold wallet as it accumulates. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.